Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, we're diving into how to manage time zones and deadlines in Asana projects. Let's start with setting up the time zone. Simply go to your profile settings, select My Profile Settings, and then Localization. Here, you can choose your desired time zone. This is important because it sets a standard time base for all your tasks and projects. So, having set the time zone, it's time to tackle deadlines. When you create a task, you'll find a due date field. Fill this in according to your project timeline. This helps us because it gives a clear deadline for task completion, ensuring everyone knows when their tasks are due. Now that we've done that, we need to ensure everyone on your team is updated. To do this, use Asana's comment section under each task to update your teammates about any changes in the deadline. The reason we do this is to keep everyone on the same page about task timelines, reducing confusion and increasing productivity. Next up, to avoid missing any critical deadlines, use Asana's calendar view. This gives you an overview of all your tasks and their due dates. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana aggregates all your tasks and arranges them on a calendar, giving you a bird's-eye view of your project timeline. Lastly, let me explain why this matters. When you have a team working across different time zones, managing time and deadlines can be challenging. But with Asana's features, you can easily overcome these hurdles and ensure seamless project execution. And there you have it, a quick and efficient guide on managing time zones and deadlines in Asana projects. Remember, with the right tools and process, you can easily manage your projects, no matter where your team is located. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next guide.